They, like we said earlier, they can get blah.
What are the cons to earning? Hang on. Okay, retake that one. Obviously. Yeah. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yeah, go.
Because I'm not.
Come on.
What are the cons to owning a Burmese python? What are the cons to owning a Burmese python? What are the cons to owning a Burmese python? What are the cons to owning a Burmese python?
Come on.
I don't want to mess up the next tape, so I'm just getting it out now.
Why are you tightening yourself around me?
I don't know. Okay.
Right, come on.
What are the cons to owning a Burmese python?
Me and George can't do any videos together in the future.
Not together. I could do one on my own. But...
No.
Now you can see in the vivarium behind, she's got the right heating, the right lighting. Oh, just gone out.
So that was us feeding our California king snake.
You fed her.
No, you fed her.
Oh, I did, didn't I?
Yeah.
Blooper, start again.
For a few reasons. One of them is growth. So bustles. I was meant to say bones.
Don't swear.
I was meant to say bones and then muscles, but I said them together.
Okay, right. Ready?
This is Waffle. Not Waffle. Oh. What the causes and prevention. Bloopers. Choke me. She's covering up the microphone as well. Get my breath back.
Blooper.
Definitely a blooper, that one.
Okay, so the last question we get asked is...
Stop looking at me! You were waiting for me to laugh and I spotted you.
Fucking looked at me. Jesus Christ.
I'm still thinking of the inside out.
Blue, you're not helping.
No, she's not.
I need to clip the microphone on you. Jesus Christ, girl. Let's try that.
Okay, so the last question we get... Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube channels. No.
More YouTube channels?
No.
What?
No.
I've only got this one.
Found it informative. If you do have any other questions for us, please feel free to...